Hey everybody, welcome to Watch Me Practice Trading 2025 edition. This is episode number 4 in the series where we're trading NQ on October 1st. And we've had 3 episodes prior to this one. We started market open. The last one ended at 10:07 a.m. Local time. And so far we've had gains of 15,620 for the morning. So I'm imposing a limit on myself, saying that we started with 50,000 initially. So on this platform, we're going to be held to 26 contracts max currently, just like as if it were a real account. I'm not trading in that big of a size in this here, so that shouldn't be a problem. I would hope at least. And let's kind of see what happens here. Let's kind of get a lay of the land. I really don't remember where we left off last time because that was a while ago. Looks like we kind of had a dip down this morning from the 20,000s, and we've dipped down into the 19,000s on NQ. Some really strong candles over here. Let's see, about how long has this dipped down? It's been like here. What is that? Wowza. Look at that. 400 plus points in the last couple hours. So big dip down. Daily open way up here. Weekly open, weekly high. We are making the new weekly low. And let's just set some levels real quick. I mean, we got all this junk up here. I got something like here. Let's see what we got previously. I don't want to make too many levels. We got this level down on the downside. We're like over here by this guy. And I don't know if it'll go. Did I move something around? I did. Okay, that's enough levels for now. So this is the 1 hour chart. Let's go back to what we were looking at before. So we've got time charts on the left. These 3 over here, including this big guy in the middle, these are all tick charts. This is a small, medium, high, sort of. So it's around 500, 2,000, 4,000. And also have a 15-second off screen, which you guys can't see. But let's kind of see what we're going to do here. Let's kind of look at some of this stuff. So daily open, way above us. VWAP, yesterday VWAP, way above us. We set the OR low a little while ago, about 40 minutes ago, right there. Actually, we set it here earlier. And let's kind of see what we're going to do here. Are we going to think it's going to be more downside? Are we going to reverse anytime soon? Where was that level that we drew? So our level is way down here. I mean, this is a good target. So around 795, we'll call it an EVIT 800. So on the downside, let's go down here. If we go up, we'll go here. We are smack dab in the middle of this. We got to pick a side. Let's kind of see what it's doing. So it looks like it's stalling a little bit. Let's look at this guy here. So we're kind of making some level here. So that's something we can trade against, right? So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bottomed out here. 6 candles. Cross how many minutes? Not too many minutes, a couple minutes. So this has been from here to here. So it's been about 2.5 minutes. So, I mean, from what I'm seeing here, it's momentum short everywhere. There's a line in the sand right here. Is it going to pull back? Is it going to continue? I mean, if we stick with momentum, it's going to go down some more and maybe like down to here. That's like 50 points. It can do that. It did a lot more this morning. I'd really like to get more of a pullback. Well, here we got something going. Man, that, look at that. It's holding it here. So like right here. We'll see if we can get in over there. Put it right above this candle here. This candle open. So we've had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are red. Well, 4, 5, 4. Changing its mind. It is like totally going sideways here. Do we do a participation one? Would have been nicer if I put that up a little bit higher instead of market ordering and getting filled towards the bottom. Let's see, how are we looking on the 5-minute? So we've got this candle covered. So if we get a pullback to 50%, we could go all the way up to 900. That would be here. Okay, we got something going on here. I don't know if it's good. We're currently in for 4 contracts. It is, we're not in the best position right there, but we're in a position. Momentum short on every chart. Only downside is we are in a place where it might decide it doesn't want to be momentum short anymore. In for 6. We brought our average up a little bit with that last move. We are currently in profit, or were. In for 6. We'll get rid of these. Maybe we'll take one off here at the low, and then so I'm just worried about it ripping up. So this is my target down here. So if we still have 5 by the time we get here, let's take 2 off right above this area, because so my target is really around 95, but 800, round number, you know. So let's kind of look here. So got a good reversal here. If this guy closes, let's see how much time it's got. 90. So this one's going to close almost enveloping. Yeah, no, not quite. I don't like this action here. Here, we'll give it a little bit of room. Closed green. I am ready to bail on this thing as soon as this is. If there's a sign of a quick move up, which there might be, but so right now, because of this green candle here, it doesn't look like it's a big reversal, right? So if it was a big reversal, this would have been red with an equal green, but it's not, but it's kind of edging up a little bit. So I'm going to take one more off right there. This might be a pullback. If it pulls back, where's it going to pull back? Probably at least over here where I'm at. So do I give it some room and lose some of our profit right here? We booked 350 so far. If we close above 32, I'm out. Close enough. Yep. Oh, I didn't hit the button in time, but so we booked 500 in that trade. So we're probably doing a little bit of a pullback to like 50-ish maybe. Let's see if it does any reversal business or anything like that around 50. Let's look at the 5-minute. Yeah, we got that level from before that I drew, that line in the sand. Was it going to go up that high? Where was that? Why don't I see it on this chart? So that was at 840. Oh, look at that. We came back down. Oh, wait, there it is. I don't know what happened to it. Yeah, this is looking like it's going to go down. So we'll do lots of 2 again. Bing, bing, bing. Could totally be wrong. Give it a couple seconds. So we're halfway through the bar in the 5 minute. Okay, let's see what it did, right? So we set a level here, reversed here at this level. So 4 candles here. We'll add 2 to our short. So we were a little early on that one. Should have gave it more room if it's going to go down. The question is, do we bail on it right here? Yeah. Okay. I'm going to give it a little bit. We're getting some mixed signals right now. So I squeaked out of that with $100 profit. When in doubt, get out and live to trade another day. This thing's really getting pokey here. Let's see, how far are we? We are about 18 minutes into this this video. Here, we'll give it about another 10 minutes or so. Let's see what happens. I mean, we did okay with 600. It's getting close to 1030. See, it still looks like it wants more down. But so this level here right now, around 832, that is the big old line in the sand. It'll stay above it if it doesn't want to go down, and if it does cross it, then, we'll go down here, maybe. Well, we got to get through this first, right? So we got to get through this 820 level before we get down here to like sub 800. So here we will dabble. Maybe it'll pick us up. Maybe it won't. Let me pull that down just a touch. We'll get in with 2. What you gonna do? Indecision here. I mean, this struggle area here for the last 15 minutes. some intent to go up with this latest candle. So this little guy right here, somebody did a 40 lot short. So let's, oh, I was hoping we would get up higher. So let's believe in the short right now. And I think I need to stop believing in the short. Yeah, because it's moved down quite a ways. Back to the OR low. So I'm expecting a reaction here. In for 8. Where are we going? 935. That was a terrible reversal spot right there. Course. So is this a stall or a reversal? I'm thinking stall. Going up here. Way up there. Nice move. We want to unding ourselves. Pull back. Let's add 2 more. So the danger area is down here. So where we're at right now can be considered an overshoot, and then it's going to go back down. So we want it to stay above this mess. So it'll keep going here, here, maybe even here and higher. I don't like how I waited so long to reverse. And I really probably don't like my entry down here either. So let's look at the charts. This is momentum long. This is working on crossing back over. This has got a way to go. How's this one? This one is momentum long by short. And this one, yeah, we're not going to talk about that one. Okay, we need to take profit somewhere here. So that was a good move up. This might be too high. Okay, I'll just do, darn it. Oh, wait, I added to it. Oh, I hit the wrong button. I'm still in short mode. Okay, so we booked some profit. I kind of bumbled that last bit there. Actually, let's clean this up because I did not want to be in this many right now. Okay, so we're in for 10. And what are you doing, dude? So stay above 12. Stay above this area. 7 to 12. So that's like a 5-point range. We want to stay above this-ish here. Yeah, we might be going back down. strong, move up. Push it up, my dude. Get above 23. There we go. We'll take a profit here. Actually, let's move this down a little bit. We'll take half off there. Or maybe just take a half off here. I don't like how it's creating that flat top level there. Don't close into or below that box, please. Okay, we survived that. I'm about ready to pull the plug on this. For now, let's see how far are we? 32 minutes. Okay, we will do this. We will sell here and here. Hopefully it goes up first, because it can, but it looks like it won't. It's being a little gun shy here in this 30 area. So one thing I kind of believe too is if it's stalling in an area, take your profits there. Don't let it come back all the, retrace all the way down and like lose everything. Just grab your profits. I mean, you can always redo it later. Okay, we booked one. Fantastic. All right. So we'll move this to the top of the last candle. All right, what are we doing here? So if it keeps ripping, we'll take some more profits here. We'll take off 2 right there, but it might not. Let's see. Let's keep it above 32. I'm going to move my stop up to like here. 'Cause I'm about ready to get out of this trade. Go, 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 go. Actually, let's move this down like right there. 65. So this is a key reversal area right here. I don't even remember what that was. That was, I think, this right here. So let's let it live. We'll do a trail for 2. Beauty. Pick us up. Pick up our sell right there. Oh, just shy. So if it pulls back, it'll probably pull back to at least here. Nice. So went through the pivot support. So what, we got 3 left, and we will just let that trail and let her roll. Actually, let me close this up because there's a very high likelihood of some kind of pullback, probably exactly back here to this level. Or not. What we got above here? Oh, the 200. Oh, look at all that stuff up there. I mean, it can do it. Let's give it some room. How much is this? About 20 points. I think I'm going to flatten if this closes like this. If it's red, we'll bail. Oh, what is that? I don't even know what color that is. Looks like red. Okay. If this guy, since this guy's going green right away, we'll let her be. But yeah, we'll tighten this up. There we go. And we're out. So we did darn good. So let's cancel all, flatten, make sure we're out. So we did pretty good. 37 minutes. We did almost 8,000, 77.95. I'll call that a good one. So at our pivot, it did pull back, and which we kind of expected. So let's see if it comes back over here and then keeps going. So we'll stop it here at 10:44. And maybe we'll do one more video before the lunchtime hour, or I'll start at 12:45 for video number 5. Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you enjoyed this, found it entertaining, and we'll catch you all in video number 5. Oh, and let me do a quick recap on, I'm going to stop this. So what are my thoughts on my performance here? Well, I kind of thought, if I remember right, this area is going to go one way or the other, right? Well, obviously we know which way it went. It went north. It did not come down here. Doesn't mean it won't go here later, but it just didn't do it within this video. And we kind of had a stall, like I want to say right here, where it was basically like flat for like some time, right? Like over here and then over here. Not so much here. I mean, we kind of saw these moves down on the 5 minute, right? And then thin guy, no guy, nobody over here. And then maybe that would have been a good indication that it's going long. The other thing is, like, if we look at the small tick here, I mean, this was basically momentum short this entire time, right? Maybe a little bit here around 10 o'clock, a little iffiness or something, but, you know, it was strong momentum short. And, you know, it told us different right here. Where's my drawings? I need to figure out why this stuff isn't flowing through to all the charts. So, you know, it switched here, and, you know, I should have believed it. But, we really wouldn't have known until after this pullback. If we do the premise of it sets a low, we have something to trade against here. It tried to go low and they said, oh, no, you don't. So there was a whole bunch of buyers like in this area that pushed it up. Sellers pushed it down, buyers took over and they said, hey guys, you're done from earlier. And they took over. So I don't remember how long we held on to this and where we switched. Man, I think we switched like right here, if I remember right. So we were down like 4,000 and then we switched over here and then it kept the momentum. We added a little bit. I did a little bit of a screw up where I bought instead of sold. It happens. And, I should not have held that short as long as I did with what it was telling us. If we look at the other charts, we had like a flat bottom here, right above our weekly low line. And, if we believe this guy, this was kind of telling us that it was like moving up, and my 15-second definitely kind of coincides with this one. We're not momentum long up until here. I don't remember where I switched. I think I switched in here somewhere. But yeah, so we could have had maybe we could have been over 10,000 at least if I switched earlier. But whatever. It still wound up pretty good. We're up almost 7,500. Whoever shorted over here with 50, I hope they got out of it and reversed. They definitely must have scaled or done something because we didn't see like the same quantity go long when they got out of that. But yeah, so that's that. I wish I didn't hang on to that. I was kind of stuck on the short because that's what it was doing and I didn't pay attention to it, but it worked out okay. And looks like might have some kind of pullback over here. At least there's an indication. So it's an indication of a stall or a pullback, or it's going to go up to 20,000 next. If I look at this, maybe it'll go up to where it started. It does that, where it does like the V's. So we'll keep an eye on it and we'll see what happens in the next video. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. Catch you all in video number 5.